Hello students, good morning. Today I am reading lesson 13, Our Universe. So let's start. Our solar system, this is our today's topic. So we live on the planet called Earth. It keeps moving around the sun. Who's moving? Earth is moving around the sun. There are 7 other planets like the Earth. Means Earth is not moving around the sun. 7 more planets are there. They are also moving around the sun like Earth, which move around the sun. The planet are members of sun's family. Like 7 stars are the planets are the members of sun's family. So likewise Earth also are members of the sun's family, and together they make called solar system. So I hope you have understood about the solar system. Now let's start the now next topic is sun. So children, what is sun? Every day you see sun. Our solar system has a star in the center. The sun is a star. Every day you can see it gives us heat and light, and it is yellow in color. You can see it burns day and night. It is a ball of fire. You know it very well, and it gives us heat and light. All planets in our solar system move around the sun. किसके चारों तरफ move करते हैं? Solar सारी planets around the sun. So as you know, you have understood about the sun. Now next is planet. Now next planet are parts of the sun's family, the solar system. There are 8 planets and they moved around the sun in their fixed path called orbit. Means uh, um, earth and the means sun and the 8 planets, they move around the sun. Means 8 planets are moving around the sun and in their fixed path. फिक्स पाथ मतलब जिस जहाँ पर वो हैं उनकी प्लेस, वहाँ पर ही वो अपनी पाथ पर ही मूव कर रहे हैं, और दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. नाउ हियर वी विल टेक फर्स्ट. द फर्स्ट प्लैनेट इज मरकरी. द प्लैनेट मरकरी इज द क्लोजेस्ट टू द sun. It is the smallest planet of the solar system. That means there are 8 planets, and the first planet which is very close to the sun is Mercury, and it is very hot planet. Why it is very hot? Because it is closest to the sun. Due to the closeness, it is very hot. Okay, now next is second planet is Venus. The planet Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the hottest and the brightest planet of the solar system. First one was Mercury, second is Venus, and we called it morning star because it is very bright. So second is Venus. Third is Earth. It is very important planet. As you know, we are living on the planet Earth. The Earth is the third planet that we live on. It is the only planet where we find life, as the Earth is covered with lots of water. That is why it looks blue, or we called it blue planet. Life is possible in this planet only. Everything you can see here, plants, animals, human being, everything, and man-made things, all are here in this planet. So this is our Earth. Fourth planet is Mars. The planet Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It appears red in color, and it may have life on it. We are not sure it has life or not, but we can say it may have life on it. It is red in color, that is why we called red planet. Mars is called red planet. Okay, and it is of number 4. After Earth it comes. The fifth number planet is Jupiter. The planet Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Means you can see here 8 planets, but the largest planet of that solar system is Jupiter. And you can see which color is this. So fifth number is Jupiter. First is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, and number fifth is Jupiter, and it is largest planet. Our next planet is Saturn. The planet Saturn has rings around it. There are 9 rings around it. It appears to be the most beautiful planet, and due to these rings it looks very beautiful, and it is of number 6. So as you know, first Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth planet is Jupiter, and sixth is Saturn. Okay, and there are rings around its planet. Number 7 planet is Uranus. The planet Uranus is a huge planet. It is also huge. Huge means very big planet. It is blue-green in color. As you can see the color of this planet. So this is of 7th number, and 7th number is Uranus. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. So 7th number planet is Uranus, and you remember this point. It is very huge planet, and the color is blue and green. Now next and last planet. Now last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Farthest means it is very far from the sun. That is why it is very coldest planet, because sun it is very far from the sun, so it is very cold. So our last planet is Neptune. So as we have seen the picture of all the 8 planets, and again we'll recall the planet. First is Mercury, as you can see, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, 7 Uranus, 8 Neptune. Before, Pluto was also a planet, but in 2006 it is not considered as planet because it was very small. Small means dwarf. So children, I hope you all have understood about all the planets and the solar system. Thank you.